See, I take the larvae out, and man, I consume this. Not the bee, but the raw jelly. Mmm. That's better than Jack Daniels.
Good morning, folks. It's about 50 degrees here this morning on the cool side. Not many bees flying. This is our first trip down to the Pine Mountain area, Roosevelt National Park. And we set out packages here about 10 days ago. This is our first trip back since we put out the packages. And so we're going to take a look, make sure that all the queens took. We got some lay, and they're looking good. And we've got throughout the day here, we're in the first yard here, but throughout the day we'll be looking at some of our existing hives and be trying to make 3 or 4 splits if we need to, and just get things in general order, make sure everything's okay. So enjoy and be happy, as Doc would say.
Hey everyone, Doc here. I want to take a second and go over a few things regarding this video. First off, it was a pretty chilly day with a lot of wind. In this video I wanted to show what to look for when going through your new package hives for the first time since they were created. Now, my Amazon GoPro magically quit working, and so I started with the A7 on the tripod, but quickly realized it wasn't going to cut it for the type of video I wanted to do. Unfortunately, I had to go and hold my heavy camera, but whenever I do that, I can't work on the hives. And while I'd like to capture everything, it's just not something I'm set up to do yet. So I only got 2 yards in Pine Mountain captured on video, and it's a shame because I lost some good moments, especially there at the end. However, it's made me decide to get a better GoPro set up so I can work on the hives and make videos. And while I like making videos about bees, we're still trying to build an apiary and not just build content for videos. So hopefully once we're able to freely shop and travel again and all this virus, then I'll have a better solution. Anyway, back to the inspections.
Foundation there.
Look at the sides of that thing. So that's a nice one, ain't it?
Looking pretty good.
Boy, isn't it? Well, see, it's already capped. See, they got capped brood. Look at there.
Yeah.
And you can see down in the cells, you know, it's just full of young larvae. See down in them cells?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it's already capped this early. Look at, and then too, well, this is corn syrup, but
yeah.
See, it's got a little tint, very little bit, but it's mostly corn syrup. But you see how quiet they are. Now this is drone. See the larger cells?
Yeah.
You could see the drone, you know, and the larvae is coming along just good.
It looks
Just
good.
how quiet they are. This frame here, let me see, put a little smoke here. Same thing here. See, boy, they're really doing good. Look at all that nice brood.
Yeah. That's the ones I looked at the other day. She had a really large amount of brood to just be in there for such a short time. They must have started laying.
Well, it sure is a good egg pattern.
Must have gotten released and laying right within a day or so.
Yeah. Boy, that's a nice nuke, I'm telling you. It sure is. The syrup, boy, they got it. There's a little, about empty, a little bit in the bottom there, but they have pretty much, you know, drawed it all out and put it in the cells, you know. I always like to keep a clean hive too, because the bee inspector says you don't want to get any.
That's right. That's right. You don't want to transmit anything.
Yeah. See, I got a wake-up call. If I
Did you get one?
Oh, sure.
Goodness.
If you don't get stung, you ain't done nothing.
Well,
that's a little smoke now.
That's about right.
entrance. They come up through there. If you don't mind. I'm sure I'm bossy. Well, you know this. They're just down in.
No, they're down in there.
Yeah. It's chilly. See.
Yeah.
See how they're bunched up?
All that falling.
Yeah. There's the queen cage there. You see, even in spite of it, they hadn't produced cells. Now you see, they got a queen, but you see they also got some cells and there's larvae in it.
Oh, is it?
See? Look at there.
Yeah. Now they'll tear those down?
Yeah, they'll dry, but see see, that's just full of royal jelly. Ladies and gentlemen, that's one of the most healthiest protein known to man is this royal jelly that's in these queen cells. See, I take the larvae out, and man, I consume this. Not the bee, but the royal jelly. That's better than Jack Daniels. Looky here, here's another one. And here's another one, see?
They all have eggs in them.
See, there's a little tiny larva down in there. Look at there. They'll do this. They'll tear them down now that they realize they got a queen.
Mm-hmm.
That's just full of brood. See, he's just loaded with brood. Look at that.
I saw that.
Well, so far so good. We've had
Yeah.
a good take with the queens.
Yeah, 3 for 3 so far. That holds up.
Man, look at that. I can tell
That looks good.
when I open it up. You could tell. See how quiet they are. They're content. It's just like a small child with his mother. He's just as happy as he can be. But if he hasn't got a mom there with him, sometimes
Happy queen, happy kingdom, huh?
That's right. Oh, we really had a good luck with these packages. See, these are the feeders. And there's a little bit of syrup
Yeah, a
left
little
in
bit
there. See, these feeders are designed the bees to go down in there and they don't drown. Now this is full of some bees that got hung up, but they're designed where the syrup will flow through the perforations. The bees can go up and down in there and draw it out, and they don't drown.
Look at that new foundation. On your brood there.
Yeah, she's got a good egg pattern.
Every one of them has so far. Doc, look at this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Pull it out.
This is what really gets you going here. Brand new foundation. Drawn out.
See, there's a
A
cell
little
there.
water. Nothing in it.
Nothing in it. No. Boy, I tell you what.
And look at it. Look at him working on this side of it.
Uh-huh.
Probably be a queen
Here's
right
the
there.
queen right here.
Yeah.
See the queen?
Yep.
There she is. This guy here got something red on it. I don't know what happened. Looked like he got into the paint
He's a
barrel.
redhead.
Yeah. I don't know what in the
Those
world
queens love to lay in this brand new foundation.
Yeah,
don't
isn't she
they?
beautiful? Look how
Yeah.
swelled out she is.
Yeah, she's a pretty one.
Yeah, she's got an egg that's starting to come out of her abdomen. Yeah.
Good job, Roy. Good job.
Yes, it is. Good job. Boy, Bob, be proud. Proud, proud, proud. In a week's time now, they'll be,
They'll be ready for a super.
yeah, and then, you know, and then too, it's been here a week now, and in 2 more weeks, there'll be a hatching of brood, and there'll be twice as many bees in there as there are now.
Yeah.
And boy, they'll start to really go to town then, you know. Here. See how quiet and docile
Yeah.
they are? Yeah. Yeah, man, here's another one. Man, did you see that milky brood down in there? That's beautiful, beautiful. A good brood pattern.
Was.
Yeah, and bees like to put, they like to put the feed on the outside.
Yeah.
Oh, what that was on that bee, that red stuff on that bee was the blood out of my finger. That's what it was. I'll be doggone, you know. Old bloody bee.
Marked them.
I marked that bee, didn't I?
Yeah.
Got some pretty red blood. That's part of beekeeping. Always banging yourself up. If you're scared of work, don't be a beekeeper. But if you're not scared of work, it can be very rewarding. Let-
Wow.
Look at this side, you know. Can you see the pollen over in the corners there, Doc? They've
Hey,
already-
Bob.
They're bringing
Wow.
in pollen.
Hey.
Well, this one, let's see, where did I see that pollen?
We're just finishing up.
See the pollen right in here? They put the pollen and the honey close to the brood so they could get to it quick,
Huh.
you know, to feed the larva
Uh-huh.
and the brood. See how it
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Very good.
Ladies and gentlemen, we had a beautiful yard here. We had
Yeah, we probably
100% take.
ought to slip them in.
Our bee supplier, we need to give him an attaboy because he's done a terrific job, I'll tell you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a strong colony, and we're going to make an increase. As you can see, this top super is full of bees and brood. Just set it off. See how quiet and docile they are? And you can also see they got swarm cells. See these
I
swarm
can't see.
cells?
There you go.
Can you get a shot of that,
Yeah,
Doc?
I can. Yep.
Look at the swarm cells.
Yep.
See? They're getting ready to swarm, so if we don't make a nuke, and it just as soon as these cells hatch, they'll be took off and we'll lose it. So I'm going to mash these down and destroy them so they can't hatch. And then I'll consume some of this delicious royal jelly. All right. Set that heavy super off. That'll keep 'em quiet.
Now, what do we want to pull out for the nuke?
3 good sticks of
Yeah.
brood and pollen if we got it. And Roy's going to have to look for the queen. Roy and Bob. You
Boy,
ready?
look at the swarm cells.
Yeah.
This one was just before swarming.
You want to take a look at one, Bob? See if the queen's on there. Can we take it?
Can you get the picture of this swarm cell,
Yeah.
Doc? See? See the little tiny larva? That'll be a queen one day if we allow it to hatch. And this is the pap, the richest source of protein known to man. It's created in the neck of the honeybee. They call it pap. Very rich in nutrients and the right consistency for the bees. I'm searching for the queen. I don't think she's on this frame. So
You
I'm
get
going-
ready, Roy. Let me. We're gonna swap. You want to swap?
Yeah.
Take a look.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Roy,
Double
there's
check
not
it.
many drones in here, though, to have so many queen cells.
Uh-uh.
Well, you got some lady just stay in the cap.
Here's a cluster of drone brew right here in the corner.
Yeah, I've got a little bit here, too.
You can,
But
we
there's
can
not-
swap frames. We can swap frames if you want to, though. I'm not check each other out here. See, what we're doing is trying not to get the queen. Oh, I don't see her.
They're awful quiet.
Yeah, they're real docile. I don't think she's
A
on
lot of
this
new
frame.
bees in here, Roy.
So I'm going to set this one in there. We'll check another one out.
Here you go. Take a look at that one.
Oh, all right.
That'll give us our 3 there.
They are quiet, very, very quiet. It's a chilly morning. They're very quiet. Here she is. Here's the queen.
Good thing you weren't.
Yeah, I missed her.
Okay.
I missed her.
Okay.
We're good to take anything else in.
Did you find her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, here she is. Here we go. Well, where'd she go? Anyway, she's on this frame. She may have crossed over.
Yeah.
There she is. There she is. Well, she's there. See?
Yeah.
Sometimes they'll back their butt down in a cell.
Okay.
There she is.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right there. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Walking around in there doing her duty.
So we've got
Look
our
how
we've
swelled
got
her
our 3
abdomen-
frames here.
Okay, you done?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, we'll put this back together.
You gonna shake any, or is that plenty? You got plenty of bees in
Well,
there.
we've got 3 full frames
Okay.
of bees. I think we're okay.
Okay.
Give them a little bit.
Okay.
Well, that got them all moving around.
Well, you going to put a queen in it?
In here.
I mean, you going to put the queen in now?
Well, should we wait?
Well, no, I just kind of knew, but they'll take better if you give them a day or two.
Okay, that's fine.
It'll take better if you give it a day or two and let them realize they're queenless.
Okay.
I'd suggest instead of putting them in now, wait 2 or 3 days and then introduce her, you know?
Well, I suggest we listen to Roy.
Well, that's it for the first yard. Nothing but great results and a growing bee population. I realize this is a very long video, however, there was a lot of this yard to show. I'm going to go ahead and divide this into 2 videos. This yard was the good. The next video, we're going to just see how bad turns to ugly very quickly. But for now, let's enjoy the great package progress and the increases. This is Doc from GAFLLA Bees asking you to subscribe and hit like if you've enjoyed these videos. And be sure to ring the bell to get a notification when we post new videos. As the bee season progresses, the videos will increase. So stay tuned for more videos. And be happy.